Hi there. If you are a user of Google Gemini and you also create your presentations in Google Slides, you will notice that Gemini is available inside of Google Slides. You can click on Ask Gemini in order to open up the Gemini sidebar. You will see gems available to you inside of this area. You can also use Gemini to create slides or to pitch an idea. What you can do is you can write in your prompt here in this area. And so we're going to give Google Slides a prompt, and we're going to do it from within the Gemini side panel. We will then click Enter, and we will allow Gemini to do the work for this element. As of the recording of this video, Gemini can only create one slide at a time, so we are going to start with one slide. We will then click Enter, and we will follow up with an iteration for the slide presentation. And Gemini will start the process of writing the slide that we have asked it to write. You will then be presented with a preview slide. You can then insert that slide into your presentation. We can then clear our history and we can start again. If we want to create an image for this presentation, we can do it as we see here in Gemini. So, for example, we can click on Create an Image for this presentation. We can choose to iterate with Gemini, and Gemini has completed our request. We can then add in the image to our slide. So you can use Gemini inside of Google Slides to assist you in putting together your slide content. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.